This is a Sears and Roebuck box fan. It's a greenish color and has 30 plastic blades. And it has a 2-speed push button on it. And it's similar to Eric 92DA's fan, like his Roebuck and Co. It's just a little different, but I'm going to show it running for you. This is high. And that's low. And this is pretty quiet too. And off, and the handle is missing on it. So, but overall, it's a pretty cool fan to have. And I'll turn it back on one last time. See? As you can see, it takes a while to stop. It's still spinning. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video.